If you are in need of a reliable and experienced land surveyor in Gandhinagar, look no further than SCON Design India PVT LTD. As a leading surveying company in the region, SCON Design India PVT LTD offers a wide range of professional land surveying services to meet the needs of clients in Gandhinagar and beyond. Our team of skilled and knowledgeable surveyors is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and tools to deliver accurate and precise results. At SCON Design India PVT Ltd, we understand the importance of land surveying in various industries such as construction, real estate, infrastructure development, and land management. Our land surveyors are well versed in using advanced equipment like GPS, total stations, and laser scanners to gather data about the terrain, boundaries, and features of a particular piece of land. With their expertise and attention to detail, our surveyors ensure that the information they provide is reliable and can be used for planning, designing, and executing projects with ease. One of the key advantages of working with SCON Design India PVT Ltd is our commitment to delivering high-quality services within the specified timeframe. We understand that time is crucial in any project, and delay in obtaining accurate land survey data can cause significant setbacks. Therefore, our team of land surveyors in Gandhinagar works diligently to complete the surveys efficiently without compromising on the accuracy and precision of the results. Whether you need a land survey for a residential plot, commercial property, or large-scale infrastructure project, SCON Design India PVT Ltd is the name you can trust. Our land surveyors are knowledgeable about the local regulations and guidelines in Gandhinagar, ensuring that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the legal requirements. With our comprehensive reports and detailed plans, you can make informed decisions about your land usage and development projects. In conclusion, if you are looking for a reliable land surveyor in Gandhinagar, SCON Design India PVT Ltd is the ideal choice. With our experienced team of surveyors and advanced technology, we provide accurate and precise land surveying services to clients in Gandhinagar and beyond. Trust us for all your land surveying needs and experience the difference our expertise can make in your projects. SCON Design India PVT Ltd offers professional land surveying services in Gandhinagar and beyond. Our skilled surveyors use state-of-the-art technology for accurate and precise results. Contact us today.